Meaning of eggplant.
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 Eggplant. Eggplant refers to a type of vegetable that is typically oblong or round in shape and has a deep purple skin. It is commonly used in cuisines around the world, including Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and East Asian cuisine. Eggplants are low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in antioxidants. They can be cooked in a variety of ways, such as grilling, roasting, or sautéing. The flesh of the eggplant is used in dishes like ratatouille, baba ganoush, and moussaka. Overall, eggplants are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet.